Hello, gorgeousness. It's another fabulous day. I am Lindsay, and hello again. By the way, if you like craft DIYs, be seen with fashion trends, enjoying adventures and collecting fashion collectible dolls, then this is the right channel for you. Now, let's have some blast and start creating. Oh my, glittering. Stars, Kylie Minogue is in Zurich? Somebody pinch me. I must be dreaming. Kylie, freakin' Minogue? Like, the pop princess, the disco diva, the sparkle queen. And guess what? You, my fabulous friend, are going to her concert? Ah! Okay. Deep breaths. We need to get you ready for this Kylie-tastic event. We are not showing up looking like a sad potato. Nope, we're going full glamorama. Speaking of glamorama, I've got two fabulous options for you, and they are serving major looks. Option 1, a Brunello-inspired moment. Classic, sleek, and oh so chic. You can grab this beauty from our website, link below. Or if you're a DIY diva, we've got a fab how-to video so you can work it your own way. Patterns are sold separately through our website. Enjoy crafting. Option 2, feeling extra? Go full-on Chanel-inspired glitter glam. We're talking sparkle, sass, and straight-up star power. This one's also available on our site as part of our Fashion Packs collection. Here are the glimpse of the Tension Tour in Zürich, Switzerland. It was full-packed and lots of people enjoyed the music icon, Kylie Minogue. I remembered all her songs she sang, like Can't You Get Out of My Head, The Locomotion, I Believe in You, and many more. She also sang her latest song in this red dress, and this red dress along with the latex purple suit are super amazing. Do you agree? Have you been to any her concert yet? Comment below, tell us your thoughts.
Hey there, gorgeousness. Just a quickie. Do you love awesome stuff? Well, guess what? We've got a super duper website that's just waiting for you to explore. We've got some seriously cool stuff on our website, like doll clothes. Plus, we've got collectible dolls that are just waiting to be your new best friends. So what are you waiting for? Come on over to our website, let's have some fun, and spread the love to your loved ones. Now back to the show.
Oh my gosh, darlings. After seeing Kylie Minogue last night, I am still not okay. It was absolutely, positively 1000% breathtaking. I screamed, I danced, I may have cried glitter tears. So guess what I'm doing today? I'm channeling my inner Kylie and recreating one of her iconic looks from the disco tour. I'm talking about that stunning number, a bustier-style top with a corset vibe, paired with a cute little A-line mini dress. Ugh, so fab I could pass out. All right, fabulousness, we've gathered all the goodies and we're ready to get our DIY on. First up, this satin pinkish salmon fabric. OMG, it's giving lush luxury realness, like Kylie would totally approve. Next, trusty scissors, because we don't snip halfway. And some metal clasps for that fierce, secure closure. Gotta keep it snatched, darling. And now, the real MVP. Strips of tulle for the lining. Why? Because they hold the edges like a pro and give the whole look that chef's kiss flawless finish. Of course, lastly, don't forget the patterns. By the way, if you want to obtain more DIY easy patterns, please comment below, and also it will be available in our website. I am always obsessing over counting the patterns once I cut them because you don't want missing pieces, don't you agree? Now we're about to lay our patterns over the fabric. But hold up. Before you do anything, make sure the fabric is ironed. Once it's all silky and ready, fold the fabric good side to good side. That means the shiny, pretty side kisses itself. And make sure it lines up nicely with the grosgrain direction. So here's the deal. We're gonna lay each pattern piece nice and straight, like they're standing in line waiting for ice cream. No twisty-turny nonsense. We keep it perpendicular to the fabric. That means up and down or side to side, not wibbly-wobbly. Now here's my secret trick. I always put the side of the pattern that doesn't stretch, aka the no wiggle zone, right on the folded edge of the fabric. That's gonna be the middle part of your outfit. Super smooth, no seams down the front. Fancy, right? Then you just line up the other patterns next to each other like besties? So perfect, what do you think, gorgeousness? Finally, our patterns are all pinned down and locked in like little fashion warriors. No slipping, no sliding. It's time to cut. That fabric. Snap, snap. Wow, now that's a pretty fabulous trick. So quick, so easy. It's giving snip, snip, slay energy. I mean, blink and boom, fabric's cut, dreams are coming true, and somewhere a sewing machine just gasped. Ugh, if only we could always cut fabric that fast in real life. Would you agree to fast cutting to shortcut things or taking your time on doing something? What's your verdict? Oh, before I forget, darling, let me put you on to a little secret weapon, the Prim Fabric Stopper. This little bottle of magic? Absolute game changer. I use it every single time after cutting fabric to stop those pesky threads from fraying like drama queens at the edge. Seriously, it's 1000% dollhouse approved for all things fabulous. Now you see the edge are well dried. I won't get worried when it looks like this because when you sew the sides, you won't notice it. Are you now excited? As me, of course, as we start attaching the main top bodice and the side front fabrics. Very important moment here. Make sure all your pieces are lined up like a fierce little fashion army. And of course, don't forget to place them on the right side of the fabric. So this is how it looks like. I didn't show you how I made this small corset effect, but if you're curious, please comment below for the step-by-step tutorial. Then we attach the back part of the bustier. Actually, we're nearly there. I can't wait to see what it'll look like when it's finished. Voila! Look at these top, it's really looking amazing. Can you see the details? So cute and almost perfect. I'm not exaggerating, am I? But really, it looks like a miniature of the real ones. What do you think? Is it Yaz or Naz? Let's talk lining magic. So for this part of the masterpiece, I'm using none other than tulle. That's right. This fabulous little fabric is stretchy, super lightweight, and basically the fairy godmother of clean finishes. I love it because it keeps those side openings snatched and tidy. No messy drama, no fray mayhem. And the best part? It doesn't mess with the shape or silhouette of your design. You just follow and top stitch the edges, inside out, and then cut the excess tulle to clean the edges. Ta-da! I mean, look at this ensemble. Isn't it just chef's kiss perfection? So polished, so fierce. It looks like it walked straight off a runway in Paris, darling. I'm fully obsessed with this style, like staring at it in public, kind of obsessed. And now, last but make no mistake, definitely not the least. We're attaching the skirt to the front bodice, bringing it all the way around to meet the back sides of the skirt. This is how the skirt will look like, as I sew the darts and top stitch the sides to have a professional finish. Can we get a round of snaps for this glow up? After stitching together the skirt and bustier, I didn't show you the full behind-the-scenes magic this time. Got caught up in the glam, oops. But if you're curious about the process, just drop me a comment below. I'll spill all the sewing tea gorgeousness. Next up, time to close that skirt, darling. You're gonna roll it over side to side, nice and neat. Then go ahead and sew a top stitch from the back, keeping it all snatched and secure. But don't forget, leave a little opening in the back so your doll can slide in like the superstar she is. And here she is. What a dolly doll dress. Do you see now the mini version of Kylie Minogue's dress? I love this outfit, but I think we also need to put some metal clasps for closure on this dress. Let's see how it looks like. I am absolutely speechless, darling. Like, isn't this the most ridiculously adorable thing ever? I can't even deal. And yes, in case you missed it, I've added those itty-bitty, teeny-tiny straps to finish off the look. Chic, delicate, and serving major doll-size couture vibes. It's giving mini, but make it fashion. What do you think, my gorgeousness? Are we obsessed, or are we obsessed? Drop your comments below and let's squeal together. Also, I made a mini red version from Kylie Minogue's Tension Concert European Tour dress. Will we find out how Kylie Minogue reacts to our episode? This red dress is even super adorable and sexy. I can't wait to put it on to our fashion icon dolls. We definitely needed Kylie Minogue's comments and approval. What do you think she would say?
Wow, what a wonderful time we've had together today, gorgeousness. Thank you for staying with us on this fun filled with heartwarming stories and fantastic crafts. We hope you've enjoyed every moment as much as we have, from crafting our own little masterpieces to diving into captivating tales. It's been an absolute joy sharing this time with you. Before you go, we have a little favor to ask. Could you please sprinkle some love our way by giving us a thumbs up, sharing the fun with your friends, and subscribing to our channel? That way, you'll always be the first to know about our latest stories and crafty creations. The excitement doesn't stop here. Be sure to stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll have even more enchanting stories and DIY adventures waiting just for you. So keep that smile shining bright, stay as gorgeous as ever, and until next time, bye for now.